Last month, Cathie Wood sold $605 million of Tesla stock. Now she's continuing to sell more. Should you sell? We're going to find out. Welcome back to Life Changing Wealth. Today it's going to be a hot one. We're going to jump right into Tesla. What's going on with Cathie Wood? Why is she continuing to sell Tesla stock? What does it mean for Tesla? Should you sell your stock? What other opportunities are on the table? So today we're going to talk about three things. Really, the first being first, why is Cathie selling Tesla? The next being, why is she injecting $143 million into Coinbase? And also the third being, why is she invested so heavily now into Robinhood and DraftKings more specifically, right? So let's jump into it. Before we get into those three things, stick with me. We're going to jump into Tesla's charts just to see where Tesla is, what's going on with Tesla, and maybe that sort of tells the story as to why Cathie Wood is making the decisions she's making. All right, here we are on the charts with Tesla, currently sitting at $1,072 a share. Had a massive fall due to Elon's tweet on, I think it was Friday that he tweeted. Maybe it was Friday or Saturday that he tweeted that he would sell 10% of his shares based on a poll that he did, basically just saying that if people wanted him to sell his shares, he would. And more people, and there's more to that tweet, but ultimately he ended up selling 10% of Tesla, which created this catalyst for this dramatic drop. All the way down, back down to the $986 range. Not good, not good, not good. I once I saw that tweet, I was like, I don't know. I think I should sell, but I didn't. I held on. I'm still have my Tesla shares, and we got a nice little bounce back. So I think this is going to continue to get a little bit of a bounce, but we'll see. We'll see if we look at if we just take a look at the RSI and see where things are on the charts real quick. We can see now that the RSI has come down dramatically on the daily. So this is starting to become attractive again. This is, we still had investors pouring in, and continuing to pour in all the way up to like a 90, almost a 95 risk level on the RSI, an unprecedented high, a high level of risk in terms of relative price movement. So it's no surprise that we saw this drop. In some of my other videos, you guys would notice that I had mentioned this. I had mentioned that the RSI is getting hot. I think we're a little overextended. Turns out we were, and then we saw this drop. Now, a couple things at play. So we got Elon's tweet. We got Cathie Wood selling her Tesla stock continuously. All right, we're going to talk about that. But that's the framework of where Tesla is today. Let's jump over to what's going on with Cathie. All right. So for those that don't know, Cathie is the CEO of the ARK Investment ETF. Okay, she lives in Wilton, Connecticut, my home state, and well, yeah, and so let's see here. So last month she sold $600 million, okay? And she says that she's continuing to sell more. So why is she doing this while Tesla's performing so well? Well, she's doing this because she says that in the ARK ETF, she doesn't want to over-allocate. She doesn't want Tesla being more than 10% of her portfolio. The same might be true for you as well. You have to think about that. There can be a benefit to rebalancing if you want the diversification benefit in your portfolio. So because of that, she's sort of hedging herself out as the Tesla stock continues to rise. In addition to that, these profits now give her capital to invest in other things. Okay, so the other one being Coinbase. So she went heavy, or even she was heavy in Coinbase. I think it was like April or so of last year, right when Coinbase got listed. Cathie went real heavy into Coinbase, and it tanked pretty hard for the past few months. But now Coinbase is on the rise for the most part, and is seemingly doing pretty well. So now Cathie bought even more. I think this is this has to do a lot with the anticipation of Bitcoin performing very, very well in Q4. So she offloaded some of the Tesla profits and rerouted them over to Coinbase. So that's that piece of it. So then another thing she's doing, Cathie Wood sells another 32 million to load up on Facebook and DraftKings, right? So this is interesting because if I just pull up DraftKings real quick on Yahoo Finance, let's see here, DraftKings. I'll show you what's going on with DraftKings because you have to wonder why she would jump into this. Not to say it's a bad play. It's actually got a lot of bullish signals. But when you look at DraftKings, if we max out on the charts here, I mean, it's been hammered. It's almost lost 40%. For a stock, that's not good. That's not good from its all-time highs. So that is not looking good. And when you look down here at the earnings, so the earnings have all been losses over the past 4 years for DraftKings, with the monster loss in 2020. And as a result, the price is being reflected with that. And if you look at this year, I mean, every quarter has been a miss, right? So why buy? Why is Cathie buying? Well, DraftKings is really extending their business into multiple states around the country now. So I think it's a little bit of a longer term play. It's also very discounted right now when you compare it to where it was, in September. In September alone, we're now looking at a 33% discount on DraftKings. It might be a great time to pick this up. Cathie Wood's doing it. Very interesting to see how that sort of plays out. Nonetheless, if you do follow the ARK investment fund and see what they're going into, this is something to keep on your radar. It's something I might pick up. Not really sure yet if I want to pick it up. But I already do own Coinbase. I still own my Tesla stock. DraftKings might be one to jump into. I haven't looked at the technicals though. Let's take a quick look at the charts and check out the technicals on DraftKings. Let me try to find it here. Let's see, DraftKings USD. Ooh, clobber. Oh, okay. Look at this. So I'm not sure what exchange this is. But if you look at the RSI, I mean, we're down at the 30 level. This could propose a superb time to buy. I mean, in September we were up over the 70s, and we crashed right back down. So we're now at the buying territory. No surprise really to see Cathie jump in on this, and that's what I wanted to leave you guys with today. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also hit that like button to help out the channel. Leave me a comment. What do you guys think of of Cathie's decisions? Do you want to own DraftKings? Do you think you should be selling your Tesla stock? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, check out my other videos and check out other videos for different investment opportunities. I'll catch you guys in the next video.